Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about the sixth chapter of Bista's book, and the name of chapter is On the Face of It, which was written by one of the renowned author of English literature, and her name was Susan Hill. Or she has written many fiction and non-fiction works. Or she got many awards and prizes for her excellent contribution in the field of literature. Dear students, in previous video we discussed that Mr. Lamb and Mr. Dairy, they are talking about different issues, or Mr. Dairy felt very uncomfortable after knowing and after seeing Mr. Lamb when he entered in the garden. Or even he decided to leave the garden at once. But because he was expecting that place will be completely empty. But when he entered in the garden, he found that Mr. Lamb was already there, the owner of the garden. Or after that he decided to leave. But Mr. Lamb cleared one thing, that he was leaving not because of Mr. Lamb, but due to his personal intention. After that, Mr. Dairy told about his story to him, that he don't want to be with people, he don't want to live with people, because people are always frightened to see him, and due to the negative response of the people, he decided not to live in the company of people, or he decided to spend his life alone. He decided to do all the work alone, not in the presence of many people. After knowing the view of Mr. Lamb, Mr. Dairy, Mr. Lamb understood that the boy Mr. Dairy, who was of 14 years, was very much upset. His feelings were hurt by the people. People have treated him negatively. So he changed the topic. Or he said that in the winter season he used to prepare jelly for the children, or he used to pull down the crab apples with the help of ladder and with the help of a stick. Whenever such things were told by Mr. Lamb, Mr. Dairy objected that why he had changed the topic, why he was not talking about him, and why he was not talking about his face. So finally Mr. Lamb asked him, and he said to him that if he wanted to tell his story, he may tell, but Lamb told him after seeing his face, it seems that it was burnt in fire. But Mr. Dairy clarified that his face was not burnt in fire, but it was burnt in by acid. That one side of his face was burnt in acid, or that acid had not destroyed and not only affected his one side of the face, but it has taken his reposeness, it has taken his happiness, or it has taken everything. So once again, after listening the story of Mr. Dairy, Mr. Lamb tried to convince the boy, Mr. Dairy, who was of 14 years, or he gives his own example. He does not care what people are doing, but from his side, from Lamb's side, he welcomes everybody, he likes everybody, he likes everything present in the nature. Whatever thing is made by God, he respects that thing or he likes that thing. I am interested in anybody and in anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Or he gives example, see at the farthest portion of the wall. What are you seeing there? So Mr. Dairy replied that there was rubbish. There was worthless thing. In response of that, Mr. Lamb says, you may say it is rubbish, but there are flowers also, there are fruits also, there are unwanted plants also, or I call that place is garden of weeds. So it is the people's observation, it is the person's observation that how he looks the things. He tries to convince Mr. Dairy, Mr. Lamb tries to convince Mr. Dairy to search positive things in adverse situation. This was the intention of Mr. Lamb. Or finally, he says that all the plants and all the fruits and all that weeds, they have some similarities also. Or most important similarity is that they have life. But or the same thing in you and me also. But Mr. Dairy objected that you are totally different from me. Mr. Lamb was convinced and he said, yes, I am old and you are a young boy of 14 years. This is the difference, but we are human beings. On the basis of appearance, on the basis of our physical appearance, we can be different, but finally we are human beings. You have one side burnt face or I have tin legs. So this can be the difference. But on the basis of our weakness, on the basis of our physical disabilities, you have also physical disability and I have also physical disability. So Mr. Lamb tries to convince him that he should not react what the people are saying. Or finally Mr. Dairy inquires about his tin legs, that how he lost his one leg, how he got tin legs. So he told the story that before many years he his one of the legs was blown off in bomb explosion, or after that he was using that tin legs. He even asked that whether the tin legs gives any pain to him or not. So finally Mr. Lamb says that tin legs gives pain, especially in winter season. Or he gives several examples. Or after that Mr. Dairy tells him that there are many things and which are correlated to each other, correlated to one another. But the real beauty of a person is not what he looks outside, means outer beauty doesn't matter. The main beauty and the main thing is how the person is from inside. Because handsome is as handsome does. Or he also gives example of one of the fairy. That fairy loved one of the furious beast, or when that fairy kissed that furious beast, it turned into a happy prince, handsome prince. But such stories, Mr. Lamb, are only possible in fairy tales, not in reality. Nobody can change my face, nobody can change my burnt face, and nobody will even kiss me, nobody even love me. But Mr. Lamb tries to convince him and tries to encourage him, and he says, if people are not ready to love you, so you have never tried to love anybody. How you are expecting that this thing cannot be, that love and cooperation can never be one-sided? But you do care if you never kiss the people. Girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes. So these were the conversations. Or finally, dear students, Mr. Dairy gives different examples. But Mr. Lamb tried to convince him, tried to fill in him positivity. Or finally, dear students, they start discussing. Or Mr. Dairy tells one of the story about his life, that one day he was standing at the bus stop and two women were passing. They were going in the street. Or after seeing his face, the first woman said to the second woman, what she said? She looked at me and she said, and she whispered, she spoke in low voice. What the first woman said to the second woman? He looked that terrible thing. Means after seeing the face of Mr. Lamb, the first woman said to the second one, the face of Mr. Lamb was not, that was the terrible thing, fearful thing. Or even she said that nobody will love Mr. Dairy because his face was so fearful. Even his mother could not do. That space only could mother love, except her nobody. So after that, Mr. Lamb asked question to Mr. Dairy कि whatever he listens, he should not believe. He should not believe what the people are saying. It is the work. It is the people's part that what they are doing. He should not react negatively. Even he asks many questions. He gives one example of bees. कि see, in my garden I have a hive of bees. Behind those trees, or if you will go near and you will hear the bees, so you will say bees buzz. But if you will stay there for some time, so you will listen, you will hear the humming sound.